True or false?
True.
Enunti NDC committee. And omo to Ghana nyina. And omo do report by. Some of the recommendations and what people wanted at the time said Lordina should distance herself from the campaign. Into 2020, Lordina Mahama, in spite of no clout our will be,
That's right.
One quiet campaign.
Because of the report in NDC.
Can't so nobody, there were no groups, me wa.
Sure.
And nobody campaign share parties. And I'm a we na mo beka say Ghana for say you won majority of the seats and that Akufo-Addo awiamo true of us.
True.
So where is this narrative and say you will be who are a will be munti a country of 30 million NDC NEC members of nipa be 30 no. So for example for you who for mo amaka na
Auto FM.
Commandos ni Rambos na more Achakichan for na more. What did you do? Yes, the ending too. So for example, you who for I, your boy and who for whom? And people are brave. Yes, sir.
Sure.
Mom, you brave. And where were you? Ayawaso elections. Your boss am Georgia soon. NDC ni biansi ho. Me wa.
Sure.
One the cast your boss and George into me come Yakobo Mako retaliated. Nobody. Was there anybody?
No.
Your MP has been slapped. MSC the NDC as a party, then I'm where you found. No, tell me. You see, Kwajo Bubu, you say more quite the DNA Maya. Yanyade.
Yafabi
Auto FM.
If a member of parliament has been slapped and party or belonging to no, didn't take any consented effort to make sure so many justice for MP. Now, Alaska, me know you mo etu MP cry ya bonusum.
Auto FM.
MP cry
ya bonusum.
Parliament immunity and
ya bonusum bano.
What the phone ya bombu ya bombu ka we butu. Me gina hobi.
Ekwa wodom NDC no didn't do anything. So ne amini wu kasai. And NDC for your imagine say they will pursue that matter to its logical conclusion. Meaning so what I say boys are a problem but we a footballer. Boys no mo koda 37 no. One was a footballer. And now me new say na career no atranketi eswatwa ball no ontimi mobile. Anya sanity.
Sure.
And is better na busia for. Is NDC taking care of na busia for? Young quarter chiva. Boys no mu wu ye no. Ododo chokaye. Saviligu
Yeah.
Election 2020 nipa 8 ne wu ye. Me wa. Omu di omu 1 year no. How many NDC national executives ne call? Omu ye omu 1 year wa Blekuma. Me wa. You see, so when people turn around and you I see ya kunipa 8 you didn't do anything. Your fan says see na na wu ni wa. What did you do? How did you register your anger? One to me and nothing. And I better tell me say uyo kukudofo.
Because now we
and that now ni honti. Oba ya no oye den. Santo kwade etime kunde bia.
Sir.
Ask Abu Mehana Michelle or Babia Minu ye be the best yen because we have existing fight and to cancel your Yakuye.
But be a G position and of
Position be. We administrator. Obi Ashawase. Bantimi anko.
And now Quaco show
the chairman now meeting. I chair meeting so majority they carry the day. We are practicing majoritarian democracy. I'm a vote to crown and Kawede.
So, per this NDC constitution, my young stating the class per the NDC constitution, so not just the general secretary require powerful than the national chairman.
That's right. Check. Bisomo. On chairman sign check. Finance committee no on can. Yeah, finance committee. Meba finance committee article 37. My member on can. 92.3. You see. So let's be lawful. Let's be law abiding. Let's do things the right way. Me Article 37. Me come as here Alaska. Next year. Now obi osi of example for Ebony as NDC national chairman. Article 37 in the finance committee.
Okay.
The finance committee consists of the following persons.
All right.
The chairman and 3 members appointed by the National Executive Committee.
Right. The chairman and 3
other people appointed
by the National
Executive Committee.
Right. NEC.
The General Secretary, the National Treasurer, the Deputy National Treasurers, and the Internal Auditor. These are the members. The Finance Committee is responsible for raising funds for the party. The Finance Committee shall cause to be prepared statements of accounts as prescribed by the National Executive Committee. Raises loans, obtain overdraft facilities within the country for the party where authorized by the National Executive Committee, and invest party funds with the consent of the National Executive Committee. What is National Chairman doing?
Not at all.
Exactly. And the say ultimate light bill, whose fault? National Chairman is a de facto position.
That's right. And to say anti quote or unquote, I say ya sympathy.
Yes. That's why board chairman.
When chief executive, everything comes to you.
Exactly.
Until you take decisions and report. See an interview or grantee or your panel. Or see, you can't always have the body meeting.
Exactly.
Which is fake and then neck. Until you can take decisions and do what? Report, rectify them. So you are the administrator. Everything comes to you. So you took most of the decisions before seeking ratification.
So, so does it mean, say, the NDC delegate and a party for Nankasano and Nim Omo Constitution?
No, don't even have the book. Somebody was writing plenty on Facebook.
And Obi hasn't got plans to make it.
Madam for to me call him, but I'm Mr. Uncle Kai NDC cons. Or we are Omra.